Hi, Nate here for our third video dispatch. We left you in Yuma and traveled eastward to Tucson, which is one of my favorite parts of Arizona. In Tucson, we met up with professional macro photographer Colin Hutton, who's now with us for the next week or so. And we've been exploring a number of higher elevation sites in the Santa Rita Mountains. I really love this area around Tucson. It's full of so many different biomes and habitat types and is really rich in Habronata species. We headed southeast of Tucson for our first set of collecting at one of my favorite sites, which we've dubbed Ocotillo Ridge. Open rock scree, red rock scree with Ocotillo forests and Habronatus virgulatus in good numbers this year. We picked up nearly 60 of those. We also ran into an undescribed species only known from that site, which has been nicknamed Habronatus sunglow as it awaits proper description. We ran into some Habronatus halleni and what we think is Habronatus clipeatus or Habronatus docenus. We're not quite sure which. We slept that night up in elevation, about 7,000 feet up by the Whipple Observatory. We were looking for Habronatus pugilis up there, but with no luck. And we continued on to Madera Canyon, known for its birds, beautiful birds, really broad diversity of birds down in this desert canyon. And we were in search of Habronatus geronimoi there, which we found in pretty decent numbers. We'd never seen this species in the wild before, and it was really great to pick up a bunch of those animals in oak leaf litter. Spent a beautiful night in campgrounds there. And next up, we're headed with Colin and Sebastian and Daniel to even higher elevation sites, 6,000 to 8,000 feet above sea level, where we'll be looking for Habronatus pugilis, Habronatus oregonensis, and continuing this kind of high elevation set of sites, which are really quite different from the sea level sites that we concentrated on in Yuma and Phoenix. So see you next time.